Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Big news today. Deutsche Bank is hinting that Tesla might be cooking up a sub $30,000 electric vehicle, unofficially dubbed the Model Q. That $30,000 price tag includes the $7,500 tax credit under the Inflation Reduction Act, which makes this news even more interesting. Here's the kicker. Even though Tesla supposedly canceled plans for this model back in April, Travis Axelrod, Tesla's head of investor relations, just told Deutsche Bank that the new entry-level EV could hit the streets as early as the first half of 2025. Sounds wild, right? But here's the thing. There's been no sign of any prototype testing, so that timeline feels a bit ambitious. My bet? Axelrod might actually be hinting at a stripped-down version of the Model 3 with a smaller battery to help bring the costs down. InsideEVs shared that the new car would be produced on Tesla's current manufacturing line. According to the Deutsche Bank report, Axelrod claims this model could boost sales by 20 to 30%, but Tesla might take a profit hit while investing in this affordable lineup. Oh, and here's a bonus tidbit. Axelrod also mentioned an extended wheelbase 3-row Model Y planned for the Chinese market. The Model 3 already keeps things pretty minimalist, so where is Tesla going to cut corners? The Model 3 starts at $44,130 for the rear-wheel drive version, so slashing $7,000 won't be easy. They might go for smaller batteries, less powerful motors, or even cheaper interior materials. Maybe they'll shrink that massive central touchscreen. Oh, and there's always the cyber cab theory, a super minimalist car that ditches traditional hardware like pedals and a steering wheel. But don't hold your breath on that one. Current regulations would never allow it to hit the roads without major legal changes. And get this, earlier rumors suggested this Redwood project could be a lot smaller than the Model 3. That lines up with the Cybercab idea. Plus, Tesla's saying the car will come with full self-driving capabilities. Imagine that, a budget Tesla with autonomous driving, launching in mid-2025. What do you think? Could this be Tesla's game changer? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest EV updates and reveals. See you in the next one.